Welcome to Codal Stage, your topics, our views. Let's continue the series of database connectivity of MySQL with Python. Let's see how to select the data. Till now we have inserted the data, we have created the database tables. Now see how to select the data from the. Let's before going to the code, there are a few methods. So cursor has one method like fetch all. Okay, it will give you the result of all. It will give you result of your query. So whatever is, so suppose if you have written something like select a star from the employee, will give you all the result. But we don't want all. We want only one record. Okay, so we say something like cursor dot fetch one. Okay, this will give you only one result, whether your result set is more than one or not. So it will give you only one result. So if you have written something like select a star from the employee and it is giving 10 records, it will give you the first one records, right? Okay, this third one method is cursor dot fetch many. So we don't want all records, we don't want one, but we want like something 2 records or 4 records or 5 records, then the fetch many can be used. And here we have to pass the size. By default size is 1. So we pass something like 4, then it will give you the 4 result. Okay, so suppose we have written something like select a star the employee have 10 records. In that case it will give you only the top 4 records. Okay, but suppose if you have the result set which is less than 4, then there is no issue. It will give you the result set. So it will give you the result based upon size. So by default size is 1. By default size is 1. One more thing, for all 3 methods it returns the tuple, and tuple cannot be sliced or indexed with the string. So if you want to get the value with the help of column name, by the index you can get it, but for the column name we have to do certain changes in cursor. Like while creating the cursor we have to write something like dictionary is equal to true. Let's see how it works. Okay, so till now we have created the connection and we created the cursor. Now let's create one select command or select query, SQL query you can say, and then say simply select star from employee. Simple. This is simple query. Now we have to run the cursor dot execute, pass this command select SQL query. Okay, now we passed it. Okay, sorry, cursor dot execute select SQL query, right? Now we have to get something like cursor. Let's start with the cursor dot fetch all. Okay, it should be stored in some variable. So let's say it's result equal to this. Let's print the result. See how it works or not. So let's print the result simply. Run with that. So it will print all the value of this employee table. It has like 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. We have just inserted. Okay. Let's see. So it is giving the result. Okay. Now let's format it. How to iterate through one by one. Let's start with the 4. So 4 row in result. Let's print something like employee ID is, say, make it row. It's not row. So row, and then it pass the index, like the 0 index is, as we know already, is employee ID. And then let's say the name. Okay, we need something like row 1. We only need 2 value. Okay, let's run let's not print this one. Okay, if you run here, it will only give you the employee ID and the name. So by the help of the index we can query through, because it's containing the tuple, right? See, it's printing employee ID name, Done. Now suppose I want to get it from something like this ID. Let's run this and see the error. See, must be integer. The tuple indices must be integer slices or not a string. So for that I have already say, if you pass something like dictionary is equal to true, it will work. Let's see that. Let's run it. Okay, so for if you want to index it with the help of the column name, then we have to do these changes. See, now it's printing. Okay, that is the small one. Now let's see how page 1 and then page many works. Okay, so if you say here page 1, okay, let's see the result of this page 1. See, it's printing simply like page 1. Okay, let's see page many. Page many, pass the size, let's say something only 4 record because it's more than 1, so let's enable this. Okay, let's run this and see the result. See, it's printing only 4 value, although the result is like 9 value. Right? Let's one more thing. Let's put, we have some condition like where employee ID is equal to pass something here, right? And then we have to pass the value, like value is equal to, let's say something 2, right? We have to pass the value. For creating this tuple, we have to pass this one. Okay, we have to pass here this one and then value, right? Now let's run this. So this way we can put the condition like we only need this where employee ID is 2. See, it's printing this, right? So this is the small way to query the data. If you have, you can put the multiple conditions here. We can pass the value. We can create a method and pass this 2 from the ID also. We can create the method where this one pass should be a parameter, and this should be query based. No, it's not by like something fixed value. You can paste something like this or any parameters, right? So this is the small way of this is the simple way of selecting the data from the MySQL. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. If you like the video and if you have any query, you can comment it out. I will try to give you the answer. Thank you.